Hello everyone! You were asking me to do some more easy chicken recipes, so I made something for you. Today, I'm gonna show you delicious fattening recipe with chicken breast, beetroot and chickpeas. So let's do it! So the first thing I have to do is to bake beetroot. And because I wanna bake it in the dough, I have to make it first. So I mix flour, salt, rosemary, garlic and water in the machine properly for a few minutes. Then I will roll it and close the beetroot in. And I'm gonna bake it in the oven around 200 degrees Celsius for around 1 hour. Next thing I need is beetroot juice. So I will peel few beetroots, chop them to smaller pieces and juice them inside the machine. And this juice I will use for my sauce, chips and dust. Chips and dust I made already a few days ago, and you can watch the full recipe and learn how to do them on my Patreon page. Now I finish the sauce. At the same time I start to cook also my chickpeas for the puree. So I start the sauce with beetroot juice and 1 spoon of balsamic vinegar. And I will reduce down a little bit. Season it with salt, and then is coming beef stock and spoon of mustard in. Now I will keep reducing it down until I get nice sauce like this. Chickpeas is cooked now, so I will pass it and move it inside the blender. Then are coming in fresh squeezed lemon juice, garlic, salt, water, and I will blend it properly. Last minute, I put little bit of olive oil, pass it through the chinois, and chickpeas puree is done. At this time, is beetroot baked, so I will take it out from the oven and let's start with the meat. So I season the chicken breast with salt and pepper. Give a nice color and crispy skin first, and then finish it inside the oven for few minutes. Then take it out, leave it to rest a little bit, and in meantime I will portion my beetroot. And guys, if you are enjoying today's recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you first time here, click the subscribe button down below, so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro at home. Last thing is to cut the meat, and I'm ready for plating. So I start with my beetroot dust. Then is coming chicken breast with crispy skin, beetroot baked in crust with garlic and rosemary, few dots of chickpeas puree, beetroot chips, nasturtium leaves, and finish it with my amazing beetroot sauce. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you would like to learn more about fine dining cooking or get my personal one-on-one coaching, all the links are in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon.